Finding the best sewing machine really comes down to matching the machine to your specific needs and skill level. Whether you're looking to do simple mending, create a new wardrobe, or take on heavy-duty projects, the right machine can make all the difference. Starting at number 1. EverSewn Sparrow 30 Sewing Machine. For the creative sewer who refuses to be limited by basic stitches, the EverSewn Sparrow 30 proves that high-end capability doesn't have to come with a high-end price tag. As a computer-controlled powerhouse, it stands out in the crowded sewing machine market by offering an impressive 310 stitch patterns, including 2 full alphabets for personalization, all at a value that rivals machines costing far more. Whether you're monogramming gifts, quilting, or adding decorative flair, its memory function and generous 7mm stitch width give you the flexibility to save custom combinations and tackle complex projects with ease. If you're searching for a machine that balances professional-grade features with user-friendly performance, the Sparrow 30 delivers the creative freedom you need without breaking the bank. Number 2. Juki HCLF 600 Computerized Sewing Machine. When precision, durability, and ease of use are non-negotiable, the Juki HCLF 600 rises to the top as a serious contender for sewists who demand professional-grade performance. Backed by Juki's legendary reputation for industrial-quality engineering, this computerized sewing and quilting machine combines a robust all-metal frame with an intuitive LCD screen that makes stitch selection effortless. With 255 built-in stitches, from practical utility to decorative and lettering, it offers plenty of creative range, while features like the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant design save you time and frustration on every project. Weighing in at a solid 30 pounds, it stays planted during high-speed sewing and quilting, giving you the stability and control that lighter machines simply can't match. Whether you're a beginner ready to grow or an experienced maker tackling intricate quilts, the HCLF 600 delivers the reliability, ease, and versatility to turn your ideas into heirloom-quality creations. Number 3. Brother XR9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. If you're looking for the perfect balance of functionality, ease of use, and value, the Brother XR9550 consistently earns its spot as one of the most popular computerized sewing and quilting machines on the market. Lightweight yet packed with features, it offers 165 built-in stitches, including 55 alphanumeric options for personalization, along with an intuitive LCD display that makes stitch selection a breeze. The included wide table and 8 presser feet make it ready for everything from garment construction to free-motion quilting right out of the box, while thoughtful touches like the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin save you time and frustration. Weighing just over 10 pounds, it's portable enough to take to classes or retreats, yet sturdy enough to handle daily sewing. Backed by Brother's legendary at-your-side support, the XR9550 is an ideal companion for beginners wanting room to grow, as well as experienced makers seeking a reliable, feature-rich machine that delivers professional results without the professional price tag. Number 4. Janome DC 2013 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Janome DC 2013 is a mid-range computerized sewing machine that has earned a reputation for delivering a premium sewing experience without the premium price tag, housed in a durable metal frame and weighing a solid 17 pounds for the stability and quiet, confident performance Janome is famous for. While it features 50 built-in stitches, including utility, stretch, decorative, and quilting options, it focuses on quality over quantity by providing the right stitches you will actually use, along with 3 one-step buttonholes for perfect, consistent results every time. What truly sets the DC 2013 apart is its thoughtful, user-friendly design, including a backlit LCD screen with direct stitch selection buttons for exact computerized control over length, width, and type, plus a speed control slider, automatic needle threader, and start/stop button that make it incredibly accessible for sewists of all levels. Its exclusive superior feed system ensures smooth, even fabric feeding to prevent bunching and deliver professional stitch quality, making the DC 2013 a reliable and powerful companion for confident beginners ready to upgrade or intermediate sewists working on everything from garments to quilts. Number 5. Brother HC1850 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother HC1850 is a versatile and popular computerized sewing and quilting machine that strikes an ideal balance between advanced functionality and user-friendly operation, making it a favorite among creative sewists of all skill levels. With 185 built-in stitches, including 130 utility, decorative, and heirloom options plus 55 alphanumeric stitches for personalization, it offers a remarkable range of creative possibilities, from garment construction to monogramming and free-motion quilting. The intuitive LCD display makes stitch selection effortless, while thoughtful features like the advanced automatic needle threader, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, and included wide table with 8 presser feet ensure you have everything you need to tackle diverse projects right out of the box. Weighing just over 10 pounds, it is lightweight and portable enough for classes or retreats, yet its metal frame provides lasting durability and stability for daily use. Backed by brothers renowned at your side free technical support for the life of the machine, the HC1850 delivers exceptional value, reliability, and creative freedom for beginners ready to grow and experienced makers seeking a feature-rich companion that brings their ideas to life without overwhelming complexity.